Hi everyone, welcome back to Eden Unique Creations. Today I'm sharing something small, but I think it makes a big difference. My new Bandana Collection bag charms. These little charms were inspired by all the beautiful accessories I've been seeing on handbags lately. I wanted to create something that would coordinate perfectly with my reversible tote bags while adding a little extra personality. Let's take a look at how they came together. Every charm starts with carefully cutting each piece of fabric. Even though these are small projects, I still want them to have the same quality and attention to detail as my larger bags. After cutting, I add interfacing to help give each charm structure and durability so they'll hold their shape through everyday use. Sometimes it's the smallest details that take the most patience. Once everything is prepared, it's time to start assembling each charm. I enjoy mixing the different bandana prints because every combination has its own personality. Some are bold, some are classic, and each one is handmade individually. One of my favorite parts of creating is watching all the separate pieces slowly become a finished product. Here they are finished. I love how these turned out. They're designed to clip onto my reversible tote bags, but they can also be attached to backpacks, purses, key rings, or zipper pulls. I wanted them to be more than just decorative. They're a fun way to personalize your bag and make it uniquely yours. As my bandana collection continues to grow, I love creating matching accessories that work together as a complete collection. Seeing everything coordinate from the totes to the crossbody bags, bookmarks, and now these charms has been one of the most rewarding parts of this journey. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I'd love to know which charm is your favorite, so let me know in the comments below. These charms will be coming soon to my Shopify store at eatinguniquecreations.com. If you enjoy handmade sewing projects and would like to follow along as I continue building my small business, I'd love to have you subscribe. The Bandana Collection keeps growing, and there are many more projects on the way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
So cute.